All right, we're going to work out the review number 1 coding activity. So for starters, let's put your name at the top. Remember, Python comments are a hashtag. And I said ask the user their name. So this would be input. Sorry. Name equals input. Please enter your name. All right, and ask the user their age. And we're going to say age equals, this time we're going to say int and then input. And then we're going to say, please enter your age. And notice there's 2 close parentheses at the end because there's one for that one and there's one for that one. And then it says print your name as many times as the user's age. So it's not your name, but print their name. So that's print name times age. I'll just run it so you can see. Enter your name, Hayes, and I'm 58, and there's 58 Hayes. Use a while true loop to ask the user to enter information. Don't make your program ask about pets or teachers. Those are my examples. Use an if, elif, else statement to pass judgment on the user's entry. Make sure you have an if, an elif, and also an else in your code. Use a break to leave the loop when the user enters a particular answer. So I'm going to do the one that's in my example. So while true, and I'm going to say we're going to talk about, I'm going to print it right here. Print, we're going to talk about teachers. All right, and then inside the while true, we're going to say teacher equals input. Please enter one of your favorite teachers. I'm going to stretch this out so that it doesn't unwrap. You don't get to do teachers. You have to do something else. You can't do your thing about pets or teachers. So then you do an if, elif, else statement. So if teacher is equal to Hayes, and again, you're not doing this. This is my example. You cannot do it on teachers. Print thanks. That's so sweet. And then I'm going to say break to get us out of the loop. And then we're going to say elif teacher equals strange. Need a colon there on the elif line. Print amazing guy, but what classes does he offer? And it doesn't break. And then you're going to do an else, which is catching everything else. Print haven't heard of them. Sorry. And then use a break to leave the loop when the user enters a particular answer, but after you comment on that answer. So I'm going to run this, enter my name, Hayes, my age. This time I'm going to say I'm 23. We're going to talk about teachers. Please enter one of your favorite teachers. I'm going to enter Mr. Del Monte. I haven't heard of them, sorry. Enter one of your favorite teachers, Dr. Strange. Amazing guy, but what classes does he offer? And then I'm just going to say Hayes, and thanks, that's so sweet. So again, if you're just copying this without listening to the sound, you cannot do this example that I have done above. You must do something other than teachers. Please come up with your own idea. I literally am not going to give you full credit if you just copy down what I did. I mean, you're free to do that if you want 7 out of 10. There you go. That's all I was asking you to do today. Ideally, you looked through the whole PDF and did the examples as we went along. That would make it a lot more obvious what's going on. Okay, that's review 1.